Hey, SyncNex here. In today's video we are going to talk about 3 best and easy ways to make money at home for students. So let's start. First is online typing jobs. Online typing jobs are remote roles that require you to convert audio, images, or raw notes into digital text. Because many basic typing tasks have been automated, genuine opportunities typically require a specialized skill like editing, transcribing, or data validation. The best platforms to get started are Upwork and Fiverr. Second one is online tutoring. If you are good in specific school or university subjects, like mathematics, science, or English, you can get paid to help younger students or peers online. Instead of traditional grading, you provide text, audio, or video explanations. Best platforms for starting is Preply and Tutoring. Third and last one is AI data labeling. Artificial intelligence models require human feedback to learn. Review 2 generated images and click which one looks more realistic, pick more realistic, categorize objects in images, or evaluate voice recordings. And best platforms for this sort is Clickworker and Remotask. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our official YouTube channel for more informative content. See you in next video.